don't say. Good morning. It's like your dude dad. I am out here, north of Lidditz, west of Brickerville. We are not far from the Horseshoe Trail. That doesn't narrow it down at all. But we're on going to be on a trail soon called the Walnut Run Trail. It goes down a little stream called Walnut Run, which is right here. So Walnut Run now is flowing on my left. It'll be there most of the way out. We got about 4 quick inches of snow yesterday. I'm not the first one on this trail, but you know, still a little slow go here. I think the out and back is going to be 2 miles, so I might try and find another trail today. Just depends though, because the snow can kick your butt, as I've found out recently. So we'll see. I want to keep in shape. I've been inside for way too long here. I haven't been able to get out, and for about a week now, almost at least 5 days or so. Last week we had a lot of weather incidents, and one of the kids' schools closed for a couple days because of too many COVID cases. So I was definitely forced into a lot of dad duty. Holy crap. So on the other side of Walnut Run here is 322. So I usually do the Horseshoe Trail and come out over here on 322 and then head across and go up Randall's Kettle. That's just south of here. So today I'm just going north here on this little trail. I did this once. You got tons of rocks and everything up here. I did climb up to one of these last time. I'm not gonna do it in the snow today, but I did climb up there. It's just bushwhacking up there. There's no paths up there, which is kind of unfortunate. It could be pretty cool. But yeah, it's just going to be a nice, moderate snow hike here. Keep at it here. I've got the REI gaiters, the waterproof topos, and some yak tracks today. So I'll tell you, the yak tracks probably aren't doing too much right now. This is we're right around 34 degrees right now. So the stuff that came down yesterday, it's gonna melt here within a couple days. Today's supposed to be in the low 40s. Tomorrow's supposed to be about 55 degrees. So I'd actually imagine a lot of this is gonna melt away. In this snow, there aren't many places to really get down here close to the creek. It is gorgeous though, kind of a little icy waterfall here. Trees down over it. There are some small, dryish little tributaries down to Walnut Run there, so I just walked down one of those. I think I kind of lucked out with the snow here. I think this trail would be a muddy mess right now, judging by the footprints, but that water is kind of frozen, and then we've got, you know, probably an inch of packed snow from last week, plus the like 4 inches we got yesterday. So I'm just kind of floating on top. I've got a icy snow bridge here for me, and it's feeling good. So I'm not an animal guy, don't know a lot about it, but I'm wagering that these are deer tracks. Right on the walking path here, kind of seems like 2 big, you know, kind of half oval hooves. I don't know, do deer have hooves? I guess so. But yeah, that's I feel like they're fresher than even the human footprints, so I'm kind of figuring there's a ton of them. I'm kind of wagering one came through overnight or something early this morning. I want to get better at animal tracks. I mean, most of what you see out here are dogs. They're like 4 toes with the claws. I think the difference with a bear track is it's 5 toes. Feel free to correct me in the comments, but these, I think the two hoof kind of thing pattern there definitely feels like deer to me. Coming up on a crossing here, something that's flowing over the Walnut Run. Yeah, I almost fell over backwards. That would have been awesome, but a nice little creek here cutting through. I don't know if anybody else, the snow just kind of makes like, I don't know, optical illusion to me or something. I don't know, maybe it's just, it all looks flat when it's not or something. I don't know if that's a thing or if that's just my bad eyesight as I roll up on my birthday in a couple weeks. Yeah, so this is great. I'll tell you, if it wasn't for the road noise, this would be fantastic. It's just unfortunately is super close to 322. Looks like we're taking a right here and following this little tributary we just crossed, pulling away from Walnut Run here. So I'll have to check my map. We might be kind of honestly at the end of what's mapped. All trails will let me know if I'm off trail here soon, but if we are, this just looks like somebody kind of cut this trail up here on their own. Yeah, good job to whoever cut this trail over here to the right. You'll have to see my map at the end, but I kind of left the all trails recommendation and started climbing. I didn't think I was gonna have much of a climb today. Left my poles in the car, but this trail is just kind of switching back, just kind of running up the side of a hill here. I have no idea where it goes or what's going on, but been away from this for 5 days. Juices are flowing. I'm gonna find out where this goes. So this rock I was just on is where the trail ends. It's about as far as the people before me came. There's nothing out this way. So we are kind of up, I think just over there is the summit of this hill. So I think they came up about this far, found this little overlook here, and we're good. So I'm going to, you know, Walnut Run Trail and all trails, I was on it, and then it kind of kept going, and I followed these feet off to the right. So I was kind of hoping after all these switchbacks it would kind of loop up around and come down and rejoin like right at the end there, but it doesn't look that way. I kind of followed the trail split up here. I think they went over to the left to right here. I think they went out there to try and find some stuff. There's a electric wire thing over there. so probably didn't get that great a view over there. And then decided to go over here and found that outcropping that I was on. Gotta check all trails here. Yeah, there's like no guarantee that if I go over there and down that I'm going to. I might though. It is above it. I'm gonna go over here, see if I can just kind of loop down, go down, make my descent over here if there's tracks, and try and get back to where the Walnut Run Trail officially is. All right, so I do see tracks going here between those trees, and then just to the left of those big trees, it goes straight down there towards those power lines. Feeling like there might be a fire break there where the lines run through, and I can take that then over to the left, hopefully meet up with Walnut Run again. All right, so once again I've come to the end of a set of tracks. It is kind of right in this fire break, although it's not a super clear one. I just came from here. I need to go kind of, if this would have switched back and gone straight down that way, kind of to the left of the break here, I think I'd have been okay to get back to where I'm supposed to be. But the trails are kind of so, or the areas are so parallel, like I might as well just go back right to that intersection where I came from and go down the way I came up, I think. So, hey, no worries, man. This is exploring, feeling good, staying hydrated, and yeah, this is good, man. This is a section that I've been to before, but you change it up and you don't get bored with it, right? So here we go. So just descended here. Straight down there is kind of the end of the Walnut Run Trail that I was shooting for to begin with. So I could drop straight down there probably, and it would be bushwhacking and being the first person through the snow. I'll get more distance, honestly, if I just keep going back the way I came. Once I get down there, though, I do want to go out to the end and see if that is truly the end of the Walnut Run Trail. But, yeah, got the hoodie up now. Got some snow down the back of my neck. All the beautiful snow, ice up in the trees is kind of melting. It was 34 when I got out of the car. It's on its way up to low 40s, so that stuff's falling down now. So glad I have the visor and the hood up on the back of the neck. So I got back to where I split off, and I'm glad I came back on the real trail here. There's lots of streams here, kind of all flowing together. Nobody has walked through this space yet, so I'm not exactly totally sure where to go. But it's awesome over here. I'm gonna explore around these little streams for a little bit here. Not really sure. Gotta take it slow here. I'm not sure if what I'm stepping on is gonna be solid or not. Oh man, this is so cool. And I think it is actually snowing or freezing rain a little bit right now. Not very deep at all right here, so I'm gonna throw a walk out to this little island here. I am, yeah, I guess I'm on an island. I'm kind of just surrounded by streams. I wouldn't say a true island, but oh man, there's some I'm not gonna go skating on that, put it that way. Again, not sure where land stops and ice starts and how much snow is on top of the ice, so I'm just gonna, don't want to go get a full soaker here. This is good, I'll tell you what, man. I was not expecting a lot. I was you know, off for a few days, so just kind of expecting to get my body back into it here. Definitely got the blood pumping climbing up that hill, and then the payoff here is just this awesome little grotto. I don't know, like, this is really cool. Only drawback, I guess, is the road noise, which is, yep, yeah, I see it up there, kind of below the level of the road. But nah, very cool to find this little place. You would parking for this would be right off 322 at Pumping Station Road. There's kind of a dirt gravel lot right there at Pumping Station Road where it crosses 322, and then you just want to walk back past that winter maintenance sign, and the trail's not blazed or marked or anything, but it's very clear on the left hand side where that starts. And if you take it back here, if you take it straight back here, it's only about a mile. So I think my walk out here is going to be a mile. Although I think I've logged probably 2 miles so far now, just because I went to the top of that hill. So I'll put the map there, and yeah, that's about it. Couple achievements this week. We got 1,700 Instagram followers, which is awesome. I'm up over 150 on YouTube here. I'd love to get more YouTube subscribers. Tell your friends, share the page. Like, I would love to get more YouTube subscribers. I'd love to get a lot more followers in general. I've got about almost 100 videos here. I got to count them. I want to do something cool for the 100th video, but I got a lot of plans this year. I'm going to keep the videos coming, and I feel like I have a lot of good content out there. Subscribe, join up. I get 80% of my views from non-subscribers. Spread the word, man. Until next time, get out there and explore. That's what I did today, and it was fantastic. Take it easy.